Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today we're exploring amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets 2025 that you probably didn't know you needed. But once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain. Make draining pasta and veggies easier than ever with the Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain. This innovative silicone strainer clips directly onto your pots and pans, letting you drain water safely and efficiently without extra colanders. Heat-resistant and durable, it handles hot noodles, vegetables, and more without warping. Its compact, space-saving design keeps your kitchen organized and clutter-free, while the gray silicone adds a modern touch to your cookware. Perfect for everyday cooking, this gadget makes meal prep faster, safer, and cleaner. Upgrade your kitchen with the Snap and Strain, the smart, convenient strainer every home chef needs. Air fryer basket for oven. Transform your oven into an air fryer with the Openness large air fryer basket and tray set. Measuring 15.6 by 11.6 inches, this stainless steel basket gives you extra space for baking, grilling, and crisping your favorite foods. The elevated mesh design lets hot air circulate evenly, delivering that perfect golden crunch. No flipping needed. It also includes 30 parchment papers to prevent sticking and make cleanup effortless. Ideal for fries, chicken wings, veggies, and more. This oven air fryer basket and tray combo is your all-in-one solution for healthy, crispy cooking at home. Cook smarter with Openness. Pressure cooker. White heavy checkmark, healthy and safe material. The DeLuban stainless steel pressure cooker is made of high-quality stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance to ensure that no harmful substances are released or react with your food. Preserve the flavor of food in the healthiest way, so you can experience its true, original taste. Aluminum products may release harmful substances during high-temperature cooking. White heavy checkmark, advanced safety design. DeLuban induction pressure cookers feature innovative automatic pressure-limiting valves, self-locking valves, safety valves, and safety windows. The automatic pressure-limiting valve keeps the pressure at optimal levels during cooking. When sufficient pressure builds inside the cooker, the central rod of the self-locking valve rises, and once the pressure is released, the rod lowers, allowing the lid to be opened. If the internal pressure exceeds the safety limit, the safety window automatically releases the pressure. Cleaning rubber gloves. High-quality material. These latex gloves are made of soft rubber, which is both stain-free and odor-free. You also get the fresh, light smell of rubber from them, better than other materials. Best of all, soft latex is gentle on the skin, so you will not get allergic reactions. Protect your hand. These gloves will make it possible for you that is allergic to hand wash the dishes that are not dishwasher safe. Practical design. The design of granules in the palm and fingers increases friction to ensure a better grip and control. The 13.7 inches glove length and cuffs tighten, designed to prevent water from flowing into the glove. Rational component. One order contains 2 pairs of gloves. Distinguish between different work use, is a good helper for your life. Best cleaning gloves, ideal for kitchen cleaning, dishwashing, car wash, indoor and outdoor cleaning, pet care use, etc. Kitchen shears. Meet your new everyday kitchen essential, the KitchenAid all-purpose kitchen shears. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these durable scissors are designed to handle all your cutting needs, from herbs and meat to packaging and more. The sharp, stainless steel blades provide precision and power with every cut, while the soft grip handle ensures comfort and control, even during long cooking sessions. With a sleek black finish and included protective sheath, these shears are both safe and stylish to store. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Perfect for home chefs and busy kitchens alike. Scrub sponge. Make cleaning effortless with the scrub sponge. Built with a dual-layer design, this sponge combines a soft absorbent side for gentle wiping and a tough scrubbing side to tackle grease, stains, and stuck-on food. Perfect for dishes, pots, pans, sinks, and countertops, it delivers streak-free cleaning every time. Durable and long-lasting, the scrub sponge is lightweight, easy to hold, and safe for most cookware. An essential kitchen cleaning tool that keeps your home fresh and spotless. Air fryer muffin pan. Upgrade your baking game with the 2-packs premium steel muffin pan. The perfect choice for muffins, cupcakes, or brownies. Made from durable, non-stick premium steel, These 6-cup round baking trays deliver even heat for perfect golden results every time. Whether you're baking breakfast treats, party cupcakes, or mini desserts, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the smooth non-stick coating. With 2 pans included, you can bake more in less time, ideal for home bakers or gift giving. Bring professional quality baking to your kitchen with these black premium muffin pans, your new go-to baking essential. Swivel vegetable peeler. Smooth, effortless peeling. Dual stainless steel blades stay ultra-sharp and swivel to glide along fruits and vegetables easily. Includes a built-in blemish remover. Save time, less waste. Skins peel off quickly like they are melted butter without gouging your fruits or veggies. Takes off just the right amount so you save more precious produce. Smooth glide technology. Will not clog with peels. Dishwasher safe. Soft grip handle for maximum comfort. The non-slip rubber handle is comfortable for both right and left-handed use and makes peeling enjoyable. Includes hole for easy hanging. Ergonomic design. The peeler is efficient and lightweight and is easy to use, even for those with arthritis. Air fryer cooking guide booklet. Looking to make air frying easier and smarter in 2025 and 2026? Check out these must-have air fryer accessories. Start with the air fryer cheat sheet magnets cooking guide booklet. It gives you instant cooking times, temperatures, and food tips right on your fridge. No more guessing or overcooking. Pair it with air fryer silicone liners to keep your basket clean and oil-free every time. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these air fryer cookbooks and tools make cooking faster, healthier, and more fun. Perfect kitchen gifts and gadgets for any home cook in 2025 and beyond. Simplify your air frying today. Sponge holder. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily sink caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Premium sturdy material Sicily kitchen sink organizer is made of premium stainless steel, which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean it easily by rinsing it under a running tap. Take the clutter out of your countertops. Coffee maker. Strong brew. Increases the strength and bold taste of your coffee's flavor. 3 cup sizes. Brew in 8, 10, or 12 ounces cup at the push of a button. Multiple cup water reservoir. 42 ounces removable reservoir lets you brew up to 4 cups before refilling. 8 ounces cup size. Fast fresh brewed. Delicious coffee made in minutes. Travel mug friendly. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.4 inch tall. Energy efficient. Auto off feature turns off your coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew, helping to save energy. Compatible with the My K-Cup universal reusable coffee. Filter. Brew your own ground coffee, sold separately. Silicone spatula set. Premium 100% food-grade silicone. The silicone spatula set is made of healthy and friendly material, resistant to high temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. No more melting, cracking, and worrying. One piece for easy to clean. With the unique seamless one-piece design, there is no crevices for food to stuck in. The handle will never enter the water. It is very easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Best balance of flexible and sturdy. Too stiff or too soft. Nobody wants that. So we experimented over and over again to try to find the best balance of hardness and flexibility. Here it is. They are sturdy enough to bear pressure and soft enough to reach side of bowl. Safe for non-stick cookware. Our silicone rubber spatulas are gentle on cookware, leaving them unmarked. They're great for non-stick pans. You don't have to worry about scratching your loving and new pots and pans. Stainless steel measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1 cup, 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs on cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. Stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cup set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon have engraved clearly the size mark. No more guess in kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluk offer 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.